All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Ryan's Radar Free Chart Analysis. Yesterday was pretty interesting because we had the news and we had expected pushes up. I myself was looking at sells on EURUSD because of the zones that we were actually inside of, and it never ended up holding. It actually or not holding, but it never broke through it. So I was a little premature in that, and I got out of them. But now that we know that it respected the zone, we have this nice little W formation up, and we have this ascending triangle formation. If you can actually see it a little bit cleaner here in the 4 hour, if we're basing it off of candlesticks, and I think we're going to see this thing push up. So we have news tomorrow morning. We have PPI news. So for those of you that are trading in New York session or going to be up early, just be careful of that. It happens at 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern, and that could give us the direction we want to see. So at the moment where we're currently at 610 now, I do believe we are going to see price push up during Asian session, and I see it potentially shooting up towards the 4 hour supply point that never got retested from what on the 4th, so 8 days ago. I think once it gets there, we'll know a little bit more. But I'm at the moment still bullish because the monthly through a Morningstar candlestick formation here, you guys can see that clear as day. Morningstar formation, and when you get the higher time frames throwing certain candlestick patterns, they all tend to follow it. So I did expect the price to drop, but now that we have it reacting on the zone, it kind of paints a clear picture of where we want price going. So just be on the lookout for that. And if you guys are out on the pairs at that time, obviously you might have a setup going forward. But now we are going to see what happens. So bullishness on Euro USD, and then for GBPUSD, we have this potential move. So I have drawn out here a W formation that actually set up beautifully because we had the lines already set up. We had the symmetrical triangle formation that we look for when it comes to solid formations. We have multiple days of drop, and then we have price drop down perfectly hitting our supply right here. This was actually 15-minute supply right there. And it came back down, wicked off of it a little bit, like two candlestick formations, and it started reversing. And currently it's throwing its own version of a symmetrical triangle. So we have from here going up, and then we have from here, technically here, going this way, right? You have equal highs. So with that, it usually leads to bullish moves up. Could it drop a little bit? Yes, but I'm trusting the overall pattern that I'm seeing on these higher time frames and the fact that it's respecting this 12-hour zone. So I'm looking for price to shoot up. So that's what we're looking for. Update, I'm not going to be doing USD GPY anymore. And the reason I'm doing that is because I got rid of it for my pairs that I look at, and I'm not trying to deviate from that path. So what we're just going to do is get rid of that and only focus on EU and GU. Those are plenty. Those are the two things you guys only need to focus on. Honestly, you don't even need two. You only need one. But I'm giving you guys solid setups and potentials of what could play out, and they tend out to be pretty good. So uh, just again, be careful of PPI news in the morning. Look for bullishness on EU and GU, and then from there we'll see how price reacts. If we do get the big push up tomorrow that breaks these highs and goes into these upper areas of the supplies, then we're gonna have direction for the rest of the week going going up. Right, I'm not gonna say straight up, but we're gonna be looking for more buying opportunities. Same thing for EU. We're gonna see price shoot up, then we want to see it pull back and have it continue up with the overall trend of the monthly setting. So that's all we have for tonight. Hope you guys catch some things. And if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, get subscribed, like this video. If you guys are not in our Telegram, I think I have a Telegram. See, I got so busy all the time now, but get into our Discord for sure. And if you guys have any questions, reach out to me on Discord, comments on the video, or email us. So I have Ryan's Radar Official at gmail.com. And I will talk to you guys later. Everyone have a great week. Peace.